Till you find your way back home.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I do my protein treatment with the Aphogee product. So on a freshly shampooed and detangled hair, I'm gonna be applying the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I'm gonna be applying this in section and making sure the strands are evenly coated.
Till you find your way back home.
I'm going to be shaking my hair. This part is optional, but I just do that to make sure the products are evenly distributed. And then you just have to wait till your hair gets dry. This is what my hair looks like after it's dry, and this is what you're aiming for. For the hair to be completely dry, try not to mess with the hair. Next, I rinse out the protein treatment with warm water and making sure everything is out of my hair completely. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer and applying that to my hair.
Until you find your way back home.
And here's a quick length check for you guys. It says on the bottle to leave the balancing moisturizer in for 2 minutes before rinsing out. And here's what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out the balancing moisturizer. My curls are separated and bouncy and well defined. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.